Hello guys, this is Mehul here, back in with another new video, and today yet another product regarding Twitter. Like, I'm really obsessed with Twitter now, but this is really cool, and this product is made by none other than Fuelers. Fuelers. So let me show you what the product is about. So this is basically an ebook that consists of really great and valuable tweets about different topics, and let both of us discover the ebook. Give it a let me give you a overview how it looks and how they have arranged all of the things. So let's just dive into it. Let me show you how you will get the ebook for yourself on the first place. So obviously you can download it from Gum. I will provide the link of this product, and obviously you have to purchase it. Like, you can literally get it for free. Just enter $0. But if you want to help them, please enter some amount and pay for their good up for pay for the good work they are doing right now. So why not, right? So this is the way to get the ebook, and they have recently enrolled, like not enrolled, but showcase their product in product hunt too. So you should check that out there also, and give them some upvote, so it will be beneficial to a lots of people, because this is a really great ebook. So let me show you the first few pages of the ebook, so you can get the overview of what it includes. So here is the ebook, obviously, and at the first point they have included Twitter growth, and they have started it here. Fairly simple enough. Okay, nothing too much. And they have gave every tweet a title about what this tweet is, and who is the author of the tweet, and they have included the tweet also here. So really great way to add all of those, and obviously those are hyperlinks, so you can click on any of the tweets and go to the Twitter as well. So I don't want to go to any Twitter right now, or obviously you can click on the wait click on the username also, so you will be able to find out the user, and obviously you can click on the reply to the tweet as well. So those are great, really, those are great, and they have basically included more threads than anything else. So yeah, it's really great, and they have made it really what soothing, not soothing, this is not soothing, clean, they have made it clean, minimalistic. Just go for it and see it how it's looking. Okay, now let me talk about some of the topics they are covering. So they're covering, first of all, creators economy, startup, money, cold emailing, that's a really important topic, marketing, obviously, copywriting, great, design, fond of design, proof of work. So what if you have seen my previous video, you already know what is Fueler is all about. They build a community that relies on proof of work more than degrees. So obviously something they want to promote, so obviously check that topic out, so you can learn more about it. Then distribution, value creation, curation, books, Twitter growth, and failure, because failure is as important as growth and achievements. And I don't know why most of the people don't talk about failures, but we like often we should talk about failure so we can learn from it. So that's a great thing also. So please check out this book and let me know if you like it or not. Or I think you will obviously like it, because why not? Because my audience will obviously like it, because which type of content I make, I usually make those things. So obviously my content, like my audience, will obviously love it. And rather than that, if you like my contents in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great resources like this or any other resources, web apps, open sources, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment section so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye.